Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to filter data in Google Sheet so you can quickly find the information you need. First, make sure your data is structured correctly. With column header at the top, click and drag to select the range of data you want to filter. Now go to the data menu and click create a filter. Now you'll see a small filter icon appear in the column header. To filter data, click on the filter icon and from here you can check or uncheck specific values to display on the appearance as you need. For example, you can select these numbers. If they check mark means it will appear in the screen. So if I do OK, then they'll appear. Only those values will appear in the screen. You can also use advanced filters. Click on the filter icon and go to filter by condition. Select option like is empty, is not empty, text does not contain, or start with or end with. Then click OK. To remove a filter, click data and select remove filter. And that's how you filter data in Google Sheet. So if this video helped, hit like and subscribe for more Google Sheet tips and drop a comment if you have any queries related to it.